Friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to use shortcut key to delete any column in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So firstly, select the column for deleting. So after selecting the column, use a shortcut, press Ctrl and minus. So when you will press Ctrl and minus, so you can see the selected column is deleted. So if you want to delete multiple column, then select the column which you want to delete. So after that, again press Ctrl and minus. So when you will press Ctrl and minus, so you can see the selected column are deleted. So guys, in this way you can use shortcut key for delete any column in Excel. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.